Small loggers and other forestry stakeholders earlier today were taken through a thorough interactive session on budgeting and accounting. The workshop was held by the Red Plus project in collaboration with the Guyana Forestry Commission.
The workshop was held to encourage small loggers to have an accounting system in place. Further, it introduced and reintroduced participants to a simple but effective accounting system, especially now that these very loggers are being encouraged to register with the Guyana Revenue Authority under the Co-op Society Act. At the opening of the workshop, Minister of Natural Resources, the Honourable Raffle Trotman, reiterated government's stance of creating an enabling environment for the industry to thrive.
As a ministry mandated to oversee the natural resources sector, we are fully committed to not only enjoying the benefits that come from the development of our forest resources, but also to protecting the communities and building the capacity of forest operators, whether you are a small concession holder with simply a chainsaw operation or a large concession holder exporting to foreign markets.
Minister Trotman says forestry continues to be a significant contributor to Guyana's economy, both as a source of generating money for the country and providing a livelihood for all Guyanese.
85% of our total forest sector production comes from small and medium-scale operations. I should say 85%, comes from small and medium-scale operations, of which between 20 to 25% come from indigenous and forest-based communities. This is a significant change in trend from the pre-2016, when over 50% of production was coming from foreign operators and large concession holders. And this really is testament to the government shift, that is to put forest concessions into the hands of associations.
Felicia Valenzuela, InfoHub.